Today, we're going to talk about the difference between OEM and aftermarket accessories and what the differences are as it pertains to warranties. The biggest differences is going to be what is covered at your dealership or covered with the manufacturer of the aftermarket warranties. Your OEM parts are always going to be covered by your factory warranty, your 3-year 36. It's going to cover parts and labor. Most all of your aftermarket accessories are only going to be covered by the part, which means you will be paying to have those parts replaced. That is one of the biggest differences that comes up. Another question I get is if the dealer installs it, is that covered by my factory warranty? Absolutely not. If it's not a factory part, the factory's not going to pay to fix it. It's kind of common sense. But the good news is we do offer a lot of financial products that will cover aftermarket items. So you're going to want to get with your finance guy when you're doing your car deal, and he'll go over what he can get covered. Another big question we get is on lifts, wheels, and tires. Again, if you modify the vehicle, it needs to be factory components if you want it covered by the factory. If it's an aftermarket component, we have a lot of great companies that actually do carry lifetime warranties on the parts. Again, you'd be paying for the labor, but if you modify it and it causes a factory part to prematurely wear, there's a good chance that's not going to be covered, and you'll be at the discretion of the service department you're having it worked at to justify whether that's a legit repair or not. Since we're talking about suspension, one of our favorite vehicles here to lift is a Jeep Wrangler. And Jeep offers a factory lift, so you can buy in confidence and know it's going to be covered by your factory warranty. While you're building that vehicle of your dreams, make sure if you're going to modify your vehicle, you talk to one of our accessory professionals. They can direct you on what is covered, what is not covered, so you can make an educated decision that's best for you. Hopefully, these little tidbits of information can help you make a more educated decision. Feel free to give us a call. Very highly trained staff here. We should be able to answer any of your questions. We're going to keep doing these videos, so hit the like and subscribe, and we'll keep throwing information your way.